Hi there, everyone, and welcome to another special episode of Chillin' Tree TV. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And if you're back here again, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And also, if you want to trade with a regulated FSCA broker, just kindly click on the link in the description down below, and it will take you directly to the website. So you don't have to go search for it. So in this week's video, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be talking about my two favorite pairs, which is Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold. These are my two most favorite pairs because they have paid me a lot, guys. So I stick to them. Forex, guys, is very simple. Just stick to what you know. You don't need to be influenced by what other people are doing. Just stick to what you know and be patient. So with Nasdaq, guys, we were anticipating price to push aggressively to the upside. Which price has been going to the upside? I mean, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. I mean, let's go up to the 4-hour time frame rather. As you can see, price has been pushing aggressively to the upside, and we are still anticipating those buys, guys. We are still anticipating those buys. We're still anticipating those buys. But for now, we might get possible short-term sells. And the reason I say that is because the way price has been pushing up correctively. Price has been pushing up correctively here, and as you can see, we have this strong aggressive push to the downside. Let's see if we have a pattern. Let's see if we have a pattern here. Okay. Change those highs again. Alright, this is a rising pattern, and I think let's identify these lows. Okay, let's go down to the 1 hour time frame now. Uh, 1 hour time frame. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is now nice and clear. So if you're able to spot this beautiful strong push to the downside, and I hope you guys got the entry here on the retest, break and retest. You should be in this entry if you manage to catch it. And I would probably hold until this low. By now, you should have moved your um trade to lock in some profits. So this should be your entry. This should be your target. This should be your target right there. This should be your target because Nasdaq is still going to reverse to the upside, guys. Nasdaq is still going to reverse to the upside. Once price gets to that low, we're anticipating a reversal all the way until the upside again. That's the ideal move that we are looking forward to. So if you didn't manage to catch this sell, and if you're just like me, just want to be patient and wait for the buys, you can still do that. But if you want to catch the sells, I think the best possible way is to go down maybe to the 15 minutes time frame. I only go lower to the 15 minutes time frame. Anything lower than that, it's too much noise for me. So if I would decide to catch this sell, let me just get rid of this. I'm probably gonna wait for a pattern. I'm probably just gonna wait for a pattern, then enter the breakout. Enter the breakout. Just gonna be a short-term sell trade. Short-term sell trade, and then I'll be looking for those buys. I'll be looking for the long-term continuation buys. There's a lot of trading opportunities in this zone, in this space right here. Between this low and that high, there's a lot of trading opportunities here. So that's what I am anticipating, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I am anticipating. And if price does decide to break below, remember this is the market, guys. So anything can happen. If price does decide to break this low and it gives me solid confirmation, then that's when I'll probably look for entries. But for here, not really. Only if it breaks. If it breaks and gives me a strong uh, push down and a continuation pattern, I will enter. I will enter because there's more than enough trading opportunities right here. That's what I will do. That's what I will do. That's what I will do, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I will do. But for now, I'm just gonna let this all play out until here we'll see. Once price gets to this zone will decide what happens. Price breaks below this zone, I'll look for a continuation pattern and then I'll target this low for entries. But otherwise, I'm on that buys. I'm on the buy level, guys. I'll be looking for buys. I'll be looking for buys. Hmm. I'll be looking for buys, guys. I'll be looking for buys because this this is a very strong zone, as you can see. So excuse me, we have the first touch there, we had the second touch there. The reason why I said this is the second touch because the price is too close to each other, and then we might anticipate that third touch there. We might anticipate that third touch there. So price goes down, fine, and then look for a strong aggressive push up, then my entry pattern, enter the breakout. And my target will be this high, guys. Will be that high. Will be that high. Because I've been waiting patiently enough for the market to play out. So this is what I will be anticipating. This is what I'll be anticipating when it comes to Nasdaq, ladies and gentlemen. So let's move on to gold. Let's move on to gold, guys. I hope you guys managed to get this push up. As I mentioned in the previous videos, in the last video I did analyzing gold, I hope you guys managed to get these buys, guys. I hope you guys managed to get this buy. This was a beautiful one. And again, guys, gold is still gonna push up. Gold is still gonna push up. This was because of NFP. I hope you guys saw what NFP did or this past Friday. It was very aggressive. NFP was very aggressive. If you go check your USD pairs, you'll see price was very aggressive. I hope you guys also caught this buys. Hope you guys caught this buy. See, this is the pattern I usually talk about. Price broke out aggressively. The target for this trade, guys. Let me just extend this like that. Stop loss there. The target for this is until the highs, guys. Don't even think about it twice. The target is there. Let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. I do suspect that this pattern is now complete, guys. This pattern is complete. So when price breaks out, guys, I'm gonna look for continuation patterns. Continuation patterns again. Gold is still gonna push up aggressively. Gold is still gonna push up aggressively, guys. This is what I am anticipating. Guys, this is our year. This is our year to make it big. This is our year. No more playing around. No more playing around, guys. As you can see these patterns play out a lot. This is the same pattern as this. Same pattern, guys. See why I like patterns. Simple, simple trading strategy. Same pattern again. Same pattern again. Another pattern here, guys. Just simple analysis.